Like every year, heavy rains have lashed Mumbai, causing damage, destruction, and a flood-like situation. While concerned authorities have asked people to stay indoors and be alert, social media, meanwhile, is flooded with hilarious memes related to the current situation in the city. These reactions are a blend of mixed feelings of frustration, happiness, and relief of the Mumbaikars who are already battling the COVID-19 crisis and the lockdown. Here's a look. One user suggested that Mumbai has now become a water park as people were seen enjoying even in these trying times. People were seen jumping onto flooded streets from a stranded BEST bus. One user's Gujarati commentary on the current situation left many in splits.
આ જો બધા બોટ ચાલે છે વેનિસમાં આપણા બુલાબાઈ વેનિસ રોડ છે આ એકદમ ઇટલી લાગે છે મને આ એકદમ વેનિસ સારખા થઈ ગયું છે બધું આ અરે સરસ સરસ ગોંડોલા સારખા લાગે.
Among the many videos that are being shared online of the waterlogged streets, a video of two guys sleeping on a makeshift raft while floating through the flooded streets has gone viral. One person was even seen on a jet ski on one of the flooded roads in Mumbai. Meanwhile, a heartwarming video is also winning hearts online. A video clip shows a man riding his bike with a kitten that he rescued amid the heavy downpour. These videos prove that Mumbai's spirits are certainly high even in these trying times. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.